Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the insulation in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 5/8 open end wrench, 5/16 inch nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, Torx 20 screwdriver, and a wooden block. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new insulation. The insulation is used as a sound barrier to silence the pump motors. The main reason for the insulation to be replaced is if it starts deteriorating or simply missing. We can begin by taking the 3 Torx 20 screws out at the bottom here. And that's going to free the door handle from the panel. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver and remove that screws. And now I can open the door and take out the screws that holds the inner door to the outer door panel. We're going to take out the 4 screws on the top. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver. And remove it one by one. And now we're going to move to the side and take out this screws. These side screws are a little bit shorter than the screws from the top. I'm going to close the door and I'm going to slide down the outer panel with the touchpad here. So I'm going to pull up and remove this touchpad with the control board and just let it hang down slowly. Make sure you don't break anything, any like harness. And we can remove this outer door panel. So I can open the door and we're going to attach this control panel to the door for the time being, so we would not damage it accidentally. I'm going to use this. I can only put 4 out of 6 screws in. We don't need all 6. That's our famous Torx 20 screws. And another one over here. And next to it. And one in this corner. At this point, the repair job could be done 2 different ways. We either can reach down there and take out the panel without pulling the dishwasher out, but that would be kind of hard because you don't see what you're doing. I prefer this second option, pull out the dishwasher, tilt it back, and perfectly see what you're doing. So we're going to take out the 2 screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. And slowly turning it side to side, I'm going to pull out the dishwasher from under the counter. So that would be enough. I can grab it by the top and pull it out. It will have to go almost completely out. Tilt it back slowly. And I'm going to place that block of wood here underneath. So now we can remove the access panel. I'll take out 2 Phillips screws using the Phillips screwdriver. And then we can just simply remove the access panel. Alright, now we can take out the frame support. We need to remove 2 Torx 20 screws, 1 in each corner. And I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. Next, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to pry this off. Okay, one. And the second place here. And I can turn this and release the front. Now we can remove the insulation. Simply pull it out. Don't lose this as a schematic. This is the old insulation next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. And we can install the installation now. It goes in only this particular way. So this is cut out and this cut out. Should be this not symmetrical, because this goes a little bit to the right, this is a little to the left. And I can place it in. And placing the instructions back in. There's the schematic and instructions. And the frame support goes in. And slide in the top. Hold it, and then we can lift the bottom up and push in. And lock, that's two clips here. And now we can secure it with a couple of Torx 20 screws. And now we can put the access panel back on. And secure it with the couple of Phillips screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten it. Lift up the dishwasher, remove the block, and put it down. And again, push it back in and install the dishwasher. At this point, we need to pull out the drain hose and the fill hose. And push it back in again. I'm going to open the door. I'm going to remove that 4 Torx 20 screws that holds the control panel. So we can lower down the control panel and close the door. Be careful not to break the wires. Now we're going to install the outer door panel. So we're going to pick up the control panel. Be aware of the wiring. So bring it up, and then on angle like this we have to go in. So this plastic goes into the door, and then these tabs on the top will go inside the cutouts in the outer door panel. All right. To install the outer door panel, we need to lift it off and put the inside strip on the top of the hinges. And then reach in and open the door. Support it on the sides and put your knee under. So I'm going to put one screw to hold the doors together, and a Torx 20 screwdriver. Tighten it. And another one, I guess, would be better. We're going to put the bottom one too. So we have this side secured. Move to the opposite side. And the one more at the bottom. Please note that these 3 screws on each side are the short screws. The top one here and the 4 on the top are longer screws. That's the last short screw on this side. And we're going to install the longer ones. And the last short screw goes on this side. And I can put the first long screw. And next 4 top screws. Do not over tighten them, they are going into the plastic. I'm going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop. I use the Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to close the door. So we're going to install the 3 sharp-ended screws from the bottom. We're going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. And there's one there, right in there. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16 inch nut driver. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.